Wiring up the heater and the switch and the thermostat.
This will go up to your thermostat.
Okay. Doing it by hand is probably more precise as far as not penetrating the insulation. That the boss?
That's Orlando.
And then the home run's gonna come here?
Both home runs right here. Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see him, okay. Okay, perfect, okay, sounds good.
There it is, the heater.
This is the fan.
Oh, the ceiling fan.
Ceiling fan.
But it's on the floor. We
Not
just
wrong.
need to move it up there.
Yeah.
Oh, I have one of those. I love those.
Stud buddy.
Yeah. The electronic ones don't work so good.
Yeah, this would be a little.
Can I go back to my reading?
So we could get right about center.
Perfect. We're gonna trace out where it's gonna go, I'm guessing.
That's it.
Key saw.
Yeah. Some call it a sheetrock knife.
Okay, sheetrock knife, okay. Keyhole saw, I was thinking. That's how I would do it. Look at that hole in there, it's perfect.
Almost perfect.
Oh, there it is. Hello.
Oh.
That's a tight work area up there.
Real tight.
At least you don't have to crawl too far to get there.
Cut the sheetrock back around it so that I can. Oh, keep it. Grab that pencil.
This takes a little bit more surgical procedure than I expected. But it's going to be the best bathroom fan in Pelham County.
Right. Let's try this time. How about that?
Now we have it recessed to accommodate the mounting of the fan. The bucks.
My experience with the good ones and the bad ones. The ones that are fine, but probably want to use them again.
How to hire a contractor 101.
There you go.
That would be a viral video. These guys are good, so I have no problem with that. But how did I find them? Electrical contractor down the street.
Okay, and the boys are, they're gonna stop at the supply house to get that stuff,
Okay,
so we should be good there.
great.
Thermostat above and duplex, 2 switches, one's the light and one's the fan. Convenience outlet. Ceiling fan is installed. Those are actually pretty darn good shop lights.
Oh yeah, they are. And it's quite a lot of light.
While Curtis continues wiring the bathroom, Joe over here is starting to wire the ceiling lights. Running wire to the heat pump. Gonna have to remove some boards, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Coming down.
Coming down. So I talked to the boss, and she said she would like that switch for the light above the garage to be near the door. Like, yeah.
I would probably just trace it and then use your knife, because that thing's gonna dance on you.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard. Nice work.
Yeah. This guy, that's a lot of nasty dust.
So you just take that down, you know, and then you basically just change it right here. There's a setting from 2700 to 500, 5000.
This is how you change the color temperature of the lights. They are settable to 3 different levels. Of course, the blue, and they're too warm for us. So right in the middle, 3500, that will do. But what if you want to change it? Now we know.
Yeah, those are the fuses right here.
This-
They just plug in. It'll plug in right here.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Okay.
Yep. So when these burn out, you just, pop them out,
Okay.
replace them.
How often do they burn out?
They shouldn't
Ever?
really, unless it goes past 20 amps for whatever reason, like a surge or something.
Okay.
That was the circuit breaker, essentially. Right?
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. So if you pop a fuse,
You have to go.
you got to buy a new one.
Yeah.
We're gonna make this a duplex.
Yeah.
So,
And then they buried an outlet in here.
oh, on the other side.
That's what I keep hitting with my fish stick. It's on the switch on the other side. It's not buried. It's just the other outlet.
Yeah, we're gonna do.
Oh yeah, that stuff. Locating the
It's a process.
light for this area. We're gonna put 2 separated by the window. We got nice bright light in this corner for any projects, any workbench, whatever you want. And it will be on a separate switch from these lights.
That is it's called an LB. So that goes directly into the panel. And then your disconnect is over here.
the instructions. If you can read it, it tells you stay away unless you know what you're doing.
Yeah, so this is set. You'll see it says on,
Oh yeah.
and then off is upside down. You flip it over, off is right side up, and on.
Oh.
So this is in the off position. These contactors will just slide it into the plastic. So this will be off. Won't bring continuity over for the hot to the unit. And then if you want to turn it on, you just flip it and make sure it's in like that.
That's good to know.
Yep. No, so if a guy's servicing this, he can just grab this and spin it, and he's off.
Nice.
You know, and then he's back on. Yeah, it's pretty slick.
Remember, there's a buffalo board.
Yeah. Now I'm remembering that.
Tight. All right. We've got some blue wire here. What's that used for?
It's called 12 or 14.3. It has 3 conductors and a ground.
Ah, I see.
So you have your black, white, red.
And what's the purpose?
You have more current carrying conductors versus 2.
That way you can run a switch and
A switch and a constant hot.
okay. This will be used over here for the garage door opener and for the exterior light. That way we can switch the exterior light off and on and still have the garage door opener on a separate dedicated line. This is going to go back up and pull the wire through the attic. I'm guessing.
That's correct.
Filling up the panel.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. I'll have to start shutting off the whole house.
There's a plug up here, but it was connected to the lights.
That's on a switch. You shut the switch off.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, now I can't see.
You turned his lights off.
I got a headlamp. I'm good.
This is funny. The wiring here is sometimes.
No, that's not it. They're both off,
You're good.
but the wire's still hot.
How many wires are in there?
Use 2. Supposedly we're gonna plate this.
Yeah, then just cut them off and cap them.
So what's the deal with this mystery outlet?
Well, it was showing up on my tester. It was showing up. There's like there was power when I turned the switch off. It showed like there was still power there,
Oh,
but it's only like 40 volts.
huh. What would cause that? Leakage somewhere, or?
Yeah, somewhere. Not really sure.
It's not a major concern. We can continue with it as normal and just have it operate
Okay.
as it currently is without any issues.
Okay, good. All neatly connected. Break out some openings for the new circuit breakers. more electrical install, and that is an outlet for the new garage door opener, which is going to be on the side of the garage.
Do you have wire for that there already?
And a little bit more wiring. Another switch goes here.
How far off the wall do you need over here? There, Randy.
Ceiling.
Ceiling. So how far off of the wall?
Looks good. Connects right into that color changer box. Color temperature. They're set to 3,500. This outlet is for the garage door opener, the future one.
Your mindset.
Yeah, I know that's the next step for me.
So the team didn't quite get it finished today, but pretty much done. A few more hookups, a few more wire boxes. That'll be done tomorrow. But definitely a lot was done. We'll fire up the heat pump for the first time tomorrow. Make sure it works.